Made it to Doisutep. We're at the temple. The bike ride up was actually a little bit cold. Luckily, got my windbreaker. We're all good. We're gonna go set up. Everyone's racing in right now, just booking it to get up the stairs. There's so many stairs. Viewpoint is insane. This is pretty unique. I'm loving Thailand. So I'm here recording the sunrise at Doisutep. I made a little friend.
Hello.
It's all pretty crazy here. It's cool seeing monks walking around everywhere, keeping the place tidy. The floor is so clean. Super happy we came up here. It was totally worth the lack of sleep. I will say the most incredible part about these temples is the attention to detail that goes into building them and creating them, and it's kind of like its own piece of art. That is one thing that I do appreciate about religious places, just the amount of care and detail that goes into creating these kind of places. If you're ever in Chiang Mai and you want somewhere really sweet to go, come to Doisutep at sunrise. Avoid the tourists, watch the sun come over the horizon. It's incredible, absolutely incredible. Highly recommend it. It's so quiet that you can only hear like the sounds of the birds and the trees. It's stoked. Just made it for breakfast. We're not sure if this place is actually open. They're inside, so we'll see. This is it. It's called chilled. Okay, they weren't open, but they opened for us. We're regulars here. We get away with that. Yeah, stir fry for breakfast. I even got a soup today too, so that's pretty tight. You can get like bacon and eggs and toast, but it's so much more expensive than the regular stuff, so it's like, why not just eat good, but just different. Eddie still hasn't gotten his food, but I'm on my second dish. Service. And the best part about all this is, Eddie and I can eat this entire breakfast for like $8. We're out here right now, got the group, heading up to Sticky Waterfall, got Jesse, he's stoked about the waterfall. Gotta throw the shades on, pimp mode. Heading up there, we got a bus. Eddie and I are taking the little Vespa scooter things. Yeah, we're gonna be riding on our sexy little mopeds, stud life. And yeah, we're gonna try and race the truck up there. We'll see who's faster. Just made it to the Butong Waterfalls. Got my little turnover with coconut. That was a gnarly ride. We did about 60 kilometers on the little mopeds, doing about 100 the whole way. It was pretty fast on a little moped, I'm not gonna lie. I got a little sketched out a couple times, but we made it. Made it to the waterfalls, or waterfall. This is sick. The rock is like super grippy, and you can climb. You can climb up. Oh, that's so cool. Check it out. Caution, wet flute. We're in the jungle. I kind of want to go down this rope. like super porous. It's a type of mineral, and it allows the water to just kind of flow over it. Looks like there's a little pool like down there. All right, so at this dope little like waterfall-y thingy, I did a cannonball off that ledge to that pool, but it was definitely not deep enough for me, and my butt definitely hit the bottom, but it's okay. It was all mud, so it was nice and soft. Not too dirty either. Just wrapped at the waterfall. Don't know why I'm doing this, but now we're gonna go back to the hostel and I don't know, probably edit. I got a lot of work to do. I wouldn't mind going for a swim later. The pool here is sick. So yeah, let's get ripping. 63 kilometers back home, something like that. Just got back to the hostel, went for a swim. It's really nice to cool off a bit. Had a shower, feeling fresh, and gonna go do some work downstairs for a couple hours. Super amped with today's day. Probably won't be doing much more exciting stuff, so until the next adventure, catch you guys later.